Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to blur a face on Picsart. Unfortunately, I can't show you the whole tutorial because Picsart right can't be showing you more of this because it's gonna be just showing up a white screen all over the video, and I don't want to ruin the video with the white screen and you can't see anything. So I'm gonna show you a simple thing and I'm gonna let you proceed from it, and I'm gonna teach you step by step how we can blur accurately the face. Unfortunately, I'm sorry to do that, but the Picsart app always shows a white screen whenever I record it and or proceed editing this picture. So in our case, we're gonna choose the blur section and we're gonna go to the motion blur, and after we click on the motion blur, you're gonna see the eraser above in the top left, and you're gonna click on it. You're gonna see multiple options: person, face. So you're gonna choose a face and you're gonna click on something like a painting called restore, and afterwards you're gonna resize and do the shape and how much blur that person want to be. So after you sizing it and add the capacity and all that, you're gonna have the exact picture of this person face being blurred. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.